Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Citibank's online banking account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Citibank login. Once you search for Citibank login, first option, click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Citibank, which is citi.com. Once you're in its official website, at the right side you can see where it says user ID and password. Where it says user ID, just enter the user ID of your account, and where it says password, just enter the password of your account. Once you do that, you can click on sign on and you should be able to log in into your Citibank's online banking account. And if you forgot your user ID or password, you can click on these two buttons to recover them as well. And if you have already logged in into your Citibank's mobile app and want to log in via QR code, you can click on this to get a QR code which you guys can scan in order to log in into it. You can scan this using its mobile app to log in into it. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.